She's a versatile institutional builder who is driving some of the strategic internationalization initiatives of high importance at Amity University, India, that includes setting up of international campuses for Amity Group, fostering international linkages with top-tier universities across the world, seeking international accreditations, creating study abroad opportunities for the students. She has been spearheading the task of comprehensive internationalization of higher education over 20 years now, traveling extensively across US, UK, France, Ireland, and other stations in India. She has held senior academic leadership roles for the top foreign universities, namely Oxford Brookes University, UK, and University of Bradford, UK, at their India operations, and has been instrumental in successfully leading QAA visits and validation process of business programs for award of UK degrees. She has also served as a jury for the prestigious European Foundation for Management Development Case Writing Competition 2020 for the Indian Management Issues and Opportunities category. She is a regular contributor of her thoughts on internationalization of higher education in reputed and international dailies and magazines of repute such as the Economics Times, ET Government, India Today, the PII News, UK, to name a few. She has a proven track record in editorial work. She is the theme editor of 5 special issues of a Scopus indexed international journal such as Worldwide Hospitality and Tourism Themes published by Emerald Publishing UK. She is also on the editorial board of several reputed journals. Many of her research papers have won awards in various prestigious forums such as Emeralds and IIM. Welcome, Dr. Gunjan, to the webinar, and it's been amazing to have you.
Thank you so much, Sachinji. I think a very good afternoon to all, especially to you, Sachinji. Thank you for inviting me over. I think you're doing some brilliant work right now, connecting us with the students so that we're able to help them in taking the right decision. So I think your role right now is the most critical, I should say, amongst all of us, because you are the one who are able to connect us and give opportunities to students and to talk to us and also help them take the right decision. So thanks once again, Sachinji. And a very warm welcome to all the dear students, and if the parents are also here, very warm welcome to you to Amity University, Gurugram. I'm so delighted that I have this opportunity to talk to you all about the international programs that we are going to offer here. So since you're part of this group right now, so I'm very sure you understand the importance of internationalization. Right. So what I'll do is I'll run through a PPT, a PowerPoint presentation, where I'm going to tell you what all programs do we offer here. Right. It's very interesting. Internationalization is something very interesting for all of us. And at every process, at every step of the teaching and learning process at our campus, we are implementing internationalization. Right. Now, when we see international programs, the advantage, the benefit of these programs is that you get to go abroad for some time so that you can experience the real global world, right? One is that a lot of internationalization is already, you'll see, I'll in a while show you how we are bringing that component into the campus also, right, on internationalization. But these programs, each one of these programs will allow you to move out of the country, spend some time at another Amity campus, at another partner university, so that you can become global citizens in the true sense, right? So I'll start with my presentation, and towards the end we'll have some question and answers. Right. So this picture is special to us. You see so many flags, right? Today we identify with just with the Indian flag, but after you traveled abroad, you met so many nationalities. So the image that comes to you about yourself would be something like this box that I've shown to you, because you can then relate with all countries, though it is good to be a patriotic, okay? But when you've traveled abroad, you understand the perspectives, you understand the cultural aspects of different nationalities. And this is the kind of image, that will emerge in your mind about yourself. Isn't that a great thing? So that is what our mission is. So international exposure through innovative models, right? Because most universities you would see would offer regular degree programs. Here we are offering 3 different programs, and I'll describe each one of them in detail so that you're able to decide that which one should probably suit you the best, if at all you're looking for anything related to global program. First one is the study abroad program. Okay, this is a very short-term program which every student of our campus is eligible to participate in. So this means if you're a fashion student, you're an engineering student, you are an applied sciences student, you're a biotechnology student, or whether it's law, engineering, management, every student is entitled to participate in this program. And in this program, you hop on to another Amity campus in US, London, Dubai, Mauritius, France, and other partner universities. You study for about 6 weeks, and then you come back and you join back your regular. Join back, when I say this means some courses you study there and you get credits awarded for these courses. Okay, and then you come back and then you are again back on the same, the program schedule, that you have at the Indian campus, at the Manesar campus, at the Haryana campus. The second program is a 3-continent program, again, where you are spending 6 months abroad, right? 6 months. These lovely pictures that you see belong to these programs only. The third one, I'm just touching upon these, then I'm discussing each one of them in detail also. The Global Study Program is a partnership program with several foreign universities where you do part of the program with us, part of the program you do with a foreign partner, and then you graduate with a degree from the foreign partner. That means if you're studying with us and then you take a transfer to Birmingham University, University of Birmingham in the UK, then you in a way officially become their student, and then you graduate, you pass out your program from Birmingham and you get a degree from Birmingham. Okay. So as I just mentioned, study abroad program is a 4 to 5 week program applicable to all disciplines. And it is very, very affordable. It could be as low as a lakh and 25,000 to move to Singapore for 5 weeks. So it is we've kept it very affordable because we have our own campuses. So it becomes very cost effective for our students. Otherwise, if you really go to another partner or to, some other partner university, they may want to charge more money. But in this case, there are own campuses. So it is very, very cost effective for all our students. 3-continent program, the last semester, 6 months, you are abroad. And global study, as I just mentioned, initial part of studies at Amity and the remaining part is at a foreign partner university. And this model will follow a 1+2 model, which means that 1 year here, let's say you're doing a BBA program. Okay. So the first year you do with us, and then 2 years you are in the UK with a foreign partner. Right. This is called as a 1+2. There's also an option of 2+1, where you could do 2 years with us and 1 year at UK, and still you can graduate with a UK degree. So that there are a number of programs. So I'll just come to that in a while. So coming back to study abroad program, I don't know what all streams you people are from right now, but I'm assuming you are from diverse streams. So if you see here, these are campuses in London, Singapore, Dubai, US, Australia, and France. So you can travel to any of these campuses for this short-term program. See this lovely picture. We have our Honorable Chancellor in the center and also Honorable Group Vice Chancellor here in the front row. Students are at Harvard University. We organize a conference with Harvard University. And this is a group picture of all our study abroad students who are there. And the Honorable Chancellor also joined there because our New York campus is very close to this. So all the students, while they were putting up at our New York campus at the Long Islands, but then they hopped on to the Harvard campus because, of course, going to the US and missing out on the visit of Harvard University is something not really acceptable. So we all took them there. We had a conference and our students had a great time. They participated, they were given certificates. And you wouldn't believe, there's some students who got so impressed that later on, they also applied for higher programs in Harvard University. And they're doing some very good work, at the Harvard University because that's, that is what exposure does to an individual, because after they were there and they really liked the place and they really, hearing about Harvard University and experiencing it on your own, when you're there physically present, makes so much of a difference. The second picture you see is as of a conference in Singapore, where students participate in the conference. So they are allowed to present their papers, they're given participation certificates. SAP students are visiting to Consul General of India in the US. SAP students are at Adelphi University, who are our partners. SAP students are spending some leisure time. So it's a great mix of both learning. Of course, I'm not showing the classrooms here because, of course, classrooms and studies are there, but we're also showing that they also get some, time to bond together. That's so much of learning, when you are with a group abroad, you are meeting with people from different nationalities. So here you see the students are on fun excursion to Manhattan, and SAP Singapore students at Sea Aquarium in Singapore. So that's a short-term program. If you have any questions, you can keep putting them in the chat box and we can take them towards the end. Okay. 3-continent program. Now, this is, I said, it's a semester abroad program offered at 2 continents. So first, of course, for, let's say, if you are a BTech student, right? It's a 8-semester program. So the first 7 semesters you do with us, in the last semester, right? You are 3 months you are in the UK, and then 3 months you are in the US. If you are an MBA student, 3 semesters you do with us, and the last semester, then again you are 3 months you are at US, and 3 months you are at UK. So that's the model. That's how this program works. And you know, if you ask us where do they go, these are the universities. Students go to Adelphi University in the US, Amity University in London, Northampton, Birmingham, California State, and this keeps revising. Okay, this is just an indication. This is just an indicative list. There's so many new partners, you know, because Amity University, Amity Education Group has over 170 partners across the world. Okay, so time to time, depending on what suits our students the best, we are, you know, we keep designing these programs, we keep revising these lists so that our students get the best of the exposure possible at that time. So while they're there, they're visiting the top industrial setups, universities, they're organizing and attending conferences, workshops, and also they're working on projects on global issues. So why 3C program? I'm sure, you know, since you're here attending the webinar at the afternoon when everybody would like to just doze off to sleep after lunch, I'm sure you are a motivated lot right now, okay? So here you are, we say, okay, be a global explorer. Confining yourself to India will not do any good. Okay, it's important to get global exposure at the right timing. With an interdisciplinary peer group and mentored by faculty. Study and learn across 3 continents. Isn't that great? That during your studies, you are part of 3 different continents. India, US, and UK. Okay. Unique pedagogy and cross-cultural exposure because you interact with different faculty, different students out there. Interaction with leading faculty, industry leaders of different countries with exceptional experience and insights to share. Diverse industries, diverse universities, diverse organizations. So the idea is diversity, okay? We are trying to give you as much diverse experience as possible. And also, you know, what happens is while you're there, you keep getting additional certifications. Let's say you do a small credit, you know, program at California State, you get a certificate. You're doing an internship in an industry, you get a certificate. So while you are there, because you have to come back and again, you know, you are still an Amity student in this program, okay? Your identity doesn't change. While you are there the last semester, you are there abroad, but your identity is that you continue to be an Amity student. But you can get additional certificates from these organizations and universities, right? And then you come back and then you write your exams and then you pass out. Okay, that is how it works. Some of the recent, you know, I'm just I put it here. Students shared, and students are so excited, and they keep sharing with us. Ma'am, we had a talk from this person. We had visited this particular campus. So all this, you know, and this keeps revising every time. So there were talks by Hewlett Packard. There were talks by Deloitte. So that is how, you know, we are designing and working on these programs. See these glimpses? I'm sure the student faces, they say it all. I don't really have to say how they're feeling. Just look at their faces. They're all happy, excited. See the bond, they're all bonded. Look at the body language. It says it all, that how much happy they are, right? So you have these pictures where they are visiting BBC, London, National Institute of Health. Aren't these deep places for any student? Isn't it? For me, it is. Still it is. Those places I've not been to. All why I wonder, you know, wow, how great it would be to visit the BBC London complex if you're at London, or to visit the National Institute of Health in the US. So that is on the 3C. Okay, keep noting your questions. I'll be very happy if there are doubts, that difference between study abroad or 3C or any other question, you know, that you'd like to ask. Keep making notes. Third one is the global study program. Okay, third one is the global study program, where I mentioned that it's like it's an articulation arrangement. It's a 1+2 model or a 2+1 model for a bachelor's program, and 1+1 model for the master's program. So if you're doing an MTech or you're doing an MBA, it will be a 1+1. First year you do with us, and then second year you take a transfer to the foreign university. So here at Amity University, Haryana, the programs, the areas where these are being offered are management, engineering, mass communication. And very soon, we are also going to add biotechnology and psychology, because I'm getting so many requests, students, that there are so many people who like to go and do psychology abroad, right? So I've made already a note. So if you are also one of them who are looking for biotechnology and psychology, please stay connected. Very soon we should announce that we also have now partnerships for you in the areas of biotechnology as well as psychology. GSP is offered for the following countries: US, UK, Australia, Canada. I know most of you right now, I mean, I am talking to students every day and they say, well, Australia is a great favorite right now with people and UK is another, I should say an all-time favorite. Somehow US, I feel little declined right now, but students are really excited right now for UK and Canada, UK and Australia. Okay, Canada, of course, is also people, there's a very select audience that would like to go there. But of course, depending on your choice, we can help you decide which destination would be the best for you. So the final award of the degree is from the foreign university at a fraction of the cost that you're doing here. Why? Because let's say if it's a 4-year program and 2 years you do abroad, 2 years you do here. So in India, while you're here, you're just paying the Indian fee, which could be just few lakhs of rupees. But as compared to when you go abroad, of course, you all understand because you've joined this webinar, so understand that the foreign university fee could be really expensive. You know, there could be, it is high. So in a way, you're doing this program at almost 50% of the total cost that you would have otherwise incurred to do this foreign degree program. So why global study program? I'm sure it's obvious, quite obvious. It's a perfect pathway to a foreign degree at a fraction of cost. I said almost 50%, okay? You're allowed to work part-time for up to 20 hours per week. So generally what students do is they take up this part-time job and this actually covers the entire living expenses at these places. So isn't that great? The tuition you already get almost at, you're studying at 50% and through your part-time work that you're allowed to do 20 hours per week during the study period and 40 hours you can do during holidays. Okay. So you can really sponsor comfortably your living and study expenses. Attractive scholarships by partner universities. Of course, if you're a meritorious student, you will definitely get a scholarship, which is open to all bright students. But because of this arrangement with Amity, we have observed that you generally get around 15 to 20% additional scholarships because it is through a partnership with Amity. Complete mentoring and guidance in the entire transfer process. So right from once you are in, then it is our responsibility to take care of you, to guide you. At what time is the application happening? What are the visa formalities? What are the letters of recommendation? Everything we are going to help you with, and also to keep telling you about what is the right timing to do all these things. Live projects and experiential learning tours to partner universities, opportunities for global placements, for best international exposure. Okay. So these are, of course, I'm very sure you are all motivated about international programs. You understand that these things are going to be there anyways, part of the program. So now these are the foreign universities. Look at this University of Queensland, one of the best universities, right, across the world. Monash, University of Newcastle, RMIT, Curtin, Deakin, University of Canberra. In UK, we have Portsmouth, we have Northampton, and in Northampton, we have very strong partners. For example, if you are looking at an MBA program, 1.5 years you can do with Amity, and only 6 months you do at Northampton, and you can still get a degree from an MBA degree from Northampton. Similarly, for undergrad, also you do 2 years with Amity, 1 year at Northampton, and you can get a UK degree. So you are only paying the foreign fee for 1 year. For 2 years, you are paying the Amity fee. So it really makes it very affordable because a lot of people do not know about these options. They generally feel कि बाहर जाना है तो इतने बहुत लाख रुपए हो जाएगा. बट अगर आप 2 साल एमिटी में पढ़ रहे हैं तो 2 साल एमिटी की फी और खाली 1 साल आपको फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी की फी देनी है. Okay, allow me to be bilingual, please. I like talking in Hindi also a little bit. Nottingham Trent University, UK, Keele University, Brulin University. US and Canada. Canada, we had a lot of demand, so we have added a few universities recently. We have University of Canada West, Memorial University of Newfoundland, Lakehead, Trent, University of Fraser Valley, Seneca College, and in USC, Iowa State University. So here, if you see, I wish I knew your profiles, but which programs you're looking at, but right now, against the name of the partner, we've got the program, right? So Curtin, if you're a BBA student, you can look at Curtin, Deakin, Monash, right? I think it will be good if you can go on the website of Global Study Program and you can really spend some good time and understand that which university, because for some universities, we have partnership for the management program, for some we have for engineering program, for some we have for mass communication, as I said, biotechnology, psychology is also coming in. So a good idea would be to look at the website and understand in detail that which pathway, which program should be the best for you. So if you see these, like Newcastle, you have BBA, you also have journalism, you have global MBA. Queensland, we have management, we have engineering also. Iowa State, we have more for computer engineering, right? So depending on your interest, you can choose which country, and we are there to help you. After you become our student, you are our responsibility. We'll mentor you throughout, understanding your interest, honing your skills for everything, and helping you choose the right college in the right country for you. Right? So all these are partners and the pathways mentioned here. Very interesting. Sports management. University of Portsmouth, you see that sports management is also a new program. It just got added few days back, and every day we are adding new programs. So very interesting. Apart from these foreign exposure, while you are here with us, okay, let's say first year, first 2 years, the various value-added things that we're doing for you, which takes care of the emerging issues in the respective disciplines, industry interface, cross-cultural exposure, personality development, also social quotient improvement. And to really tell you, what we do, I've got some pictures. Otherwise, you'll not understand that what really are we going to do for you. See these pictures? Uh, all these are pictures of foreigners visiting us, signing of MOUs, our faculty interacting, our students interacting, so that we have some real-time internationalization at home experience, happening there. So right in the middle, you see that's our Honorable Vice Chancellor. Uh, in the center is holding the MOU, and I'm standing next to him. Okay, since I drive the internationalization here, and so you see a lot of pictures here. This is something very special for us. This is the Distinguished Global Indian Speaker Series that we've instituted at our campus. Under these series, only professors from the top 20 universities of the world are invited. And we are so fortunate that Amity is doing, probably this is a unique initiative that Amity does. So you see here our Honorable Chancellor here in the, I should say in the middle picture, he's offering flowers to Professor Bhagwan Chaudhary of UCLA. Dr. Aseem Chauhan is our Honorable Chancellor, very dynamic and charismatic leader, offering welcoming Professor Chaudhary from UCLA. Then you have professors from Princeton, you have professor from Yale University. And if you see here, this is professor he's the associate, Professor S.P. Kothari. He's the associate dean at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, University of California, Tufts, Cornell, University of Texas president. Very few Indians have the fortune of becoming presidents of American universities. And Professor Vistas Kalbri is one of them. So what I'm telling you is, that even when you have not taken a transfer, while you're still with us, even at the campus, there are hundreds of activities taking place every time, right? So see here, I have given you another example. This is a partnership with Florida International University. Here, I go to the last slide. Here, you see the bottom left is a picture where we are signing an MOU with Florida International University. Now, with this university, the number of initiatives we do every year, right? Currently, we are working on women empowerment, okay, with students of this university who visit in India every year, in the Bandwari village in Haryana, okay. So we also sensitize the students to the social issues. Isn't it great? Americans coming to India every year, right? So our students have also joined hands. So see this picture where our arts head of school, Professor Suniti Sood, is teaching Indian art to these American students, right? So this is, and plus the bottom you see there was a conference we did where we all spoke on the related issues to these Florida international students. So the group picture that you see here, we both have, our international as well as our Indian students together working on these projects. We were also invited by Economic Times. Thank you, Sachinji. He introduced me and he mentioned that, yes, I contribute regularly to national dailies. And our good work got noticed, and I was invited by Economic Times to share our views on what are the opportunities so that rest of the universities in higher education could also follow the trends that Amity is doing. If you like it, you could always you can just type my name and put ET government and it will take you to this video. So if you want, you can watch it and do share your comments. You can talk to me if there's any advice. Whether you would like to join Amity or not, that is up to you, honestly, but you can still always come back to us. I'm a teacher, frankly, and I like talking to students. That is the reason I'm here today talking to you. You can get back, and even otherwise also you can seek advice about internationalization at any point of time in your lives. More intervention. So why I'm showing this picture is not just verbal that I'm telling you that we do this, we do that. Here you see Even pandemic did not stop us from meeting these eminent professors. You see these webinars, pictures of webinars. So it is going to be, it's a great, I think, learning experience, the campus that we create for both faculty and students. And if we are, when faculty are learned, faculty are excited, of course, that excitement trickles down in the classroom as well. Right. So pandemic again did not stop us. You see a very distinguished luminaries here. Professor Tarun Khanna, who's from Harvard Business School, was here attending this talk, presenting this talk. Professor Rajan from University of Washington. You see so many banners here and these pictures. They tell you that how committed we are for our students and faculty at Amity. More pictures, University of Birmingham. You name it and we have it. There you see law faculty talking. There you have the Pro Vice Chancellor International visited us. So we keep doing these activities regularly. Here, this banner that you see, we have speaker from the business school who spoke on leadership, right? This is again very interesting. We talked about cross-cultural exposure. We are partners with TQ University, and our students, right? Our students, 6 students and faculty got an opportunity to travel to Japan. Fully funded program by Japanese government. They call it Sakura Exchange Program. So what I'm telling you is through, through these programs, you're also getting opportunities, of such nature. So these students were, it was a fully funded program. They flight, their boarding, lodging, their per day allowance, and they got to work with best of the machines in Japan. They got to work with best of the faculty and the students out there. So that's the power we feel, when you're looking at an international program. And see this, there are over hundreds of students at our campus from over 30 nationalities. Okay? All these people are going to be with you in your classes here. So there's a lot of cross-cultural learning that is taking place every time, when you're here with us. Okay. So thank you so much for listening. And that was just a snapshot of what these international programs are. And I'll be very happy to take your questions. Thanks, Sachinji. Thank you so much. Enjoyed my talk. Though I can't see their faces, but I'm very happy to be talking to them.
Sure, absolutely. It was a fabulous presentation, and I'm sure students have got a lot of queries to discuss on. I've already received a lot of questions. So before that, I would like to present a presentation, a video on Amity University Gurugram to showcase and highlight the best of the efforts our faculty, our students are putting up at Amity University Gurugram to make it a leading international university.
Gurgaon, established in 2010. In a few years' time, it has surged ahead to be adjudged the top private university in Haryana by India Today, as well as CMAI. Spread across 110 acres, it has won numerous awards like the Best Private University of the Year 2015 by SHM. Building on its foundation of academic excellence, Amity University Gurgaon has established diverse centers of excellence for breakthrough advancements like the Amity Center for BRICS Studies, Amity Center for Robotics, Amity Center for Nanotechnology, Amity Center for Stem Cell Research, Amity Center for Ocean Atmospheric Science and Technology, and many more. Constantly striving for excellence in all aspects, Amity University Gurgaon has entered into a collaborative program with Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, IITM Pune, established under the aegis of Safar Mapan for measuring and monitoring air quality. The campus also has a unique military training camp where thousands of Amity students from all campuses go through military training modules that instill strong feelings of patriotism and hone strategic leadership skills. As part of a leading research-driven university, numerous innovations of Amity students have earned international and national recognition, such as solar-powered vehicles, the Amity Bionic Arm, and the Amity Humanoid. Extensive industry interaction initiatives have seen the likes of Sunil Bharati Mittal, Chairman Bharti Enterprise, that is Airtel, Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma and eminent scientist Padma Bhushan Dr. Govindarajan Padmanabhan visiting and engaging with Amity students. A big thrust area for the university is creating positive social impact. As part of the Amity mission to eradicate preventive blindness, Amity Eye Camps have provided free treatment and cataract surgery to over 12,000 Haryana villages. The 3-year-old annual Amity Gurgaon Marathon, which has seen participation from over 30,000 runners, besides making people health conscious, highlights various social issues. The Amity student community also actively participates in social initiatives like Udaan to educate underprivileged children. Students are also driving cancer awareness camps, Swachhata Abhiyan inspired Clean the City drives, regular blood donation camps. Amity University Gurgaon is India's only university and Asia's second to be awarded the LEED USA Platinum certification, the highest standard worldwide for environmentally responsible design, construction and operations of existing buildings.
Amity also offers you a basket of career-focused disciplines in all streams of interest to Class 12 students like you. Let's take a glance.
Now, let's take a glimpse of the pulsating campus life at Amity University Gurgaon that goes beyond academic excellence, which allows you to flourish as an individual by organizing and participating in diverse cultural events and competitions such as Youth Fest or being a part of Sangathan, the Inter-Amity Institution's sports meet that marks the birthday of Amity's founder-president. You get countless opportunities to enhance your organizational, teamwork and leadership skills. At Amity University Gurgaon, you follow a learning and development curve that is designed to help you stay ahead of the future by empowering you to dream and carve out a vision. It has been conceived to help you optimize your true potential. So if you see yourself joining the League of Indian Visionaries shown earlier, then go ahead and envision a better tomorrow for yourself and for India.
So the first question I would like to take, the most of the students have a query around from where they will get the degree, whether it will be from Amity or the partner institution. I would like to throw some light on it.
Yeah, absolutely. Very good question. I'm glad that question is coming up. There are 3 different programs I spoke about, right? For the SAP and the 3C, it is our degree. It is Amity degree only. For the regular Amity program, they are going out for some time and coming back for exposure, right, Sachinji? But in this case, global study program, where we've talked about the models 1+2 or 2+1 model out there, after you take a transfer to the foreign university, then you become their student. Okay, I'll give you a small example also. Let's say we are partners with Birmingham and a student is doing BBA with us. So first year he does with us, and second year he opts to move to Birmingham University. So the moment a student takes the transfer to the second year, then the student becomes Birmingham University student. Okay, and then of course then he or she is as equal to anybody else who's been studying right from the first year. Okay, and after the child does the third year, then that person will get the final year degree from Birmingham University of Birmingham. That's the model.
That's perfect. That's perfect. So when does a student need to choose their partner university?
Right. So depending on what choice you're making, is it a 1+2 model or a 2+1 model? So the minimum time frame is 1 year, right? After the first year, at the end of the first year, they can decide at which university would they want to go to. And if it's a 2+1 model, then they can also choose at the end of the second year.
Right, right. The one question that I have received is about the scholarship. So if you can share more on it.
I think it's a very good question. As I said that yes, there are scholarships. And in fact, you should also attend time to time. We're also having presentations by these partner universities where they themselves say, you can hear it from the horse's mouth themselves, that through Amity, you are going to get definitely more scholarships. So 15 to 20% is very, very basic. I can say that you will get, okay, being part. Of course, your academic scores are important. And also your scores and other recommendations are going to be important, but you can expect at the most 50% till 50%, you could get the scholarship, when you are applying there. But generally take it as around 15 to 20% of the foreign fee, and you're taking a transfer.
Right. Hisham has asked this question: is there any global study program for the law student?
Law student. One very interesting. It's a coincidence because morning the director, Major General P.K. Sharma, asked me that, ma'am, can we do also a law program? I said definitely if there's an interest. So right now it's not there. Okay, right now it's not there, but you can still talk to Miss Shavi Sharma, okay, who's right now also as part. Because there are some programs where we have an integrated program with management. So we'll see if you could club it. We could club you under the management stream, and you could join the program which offers Sachinji. We have that BBA plus LLB, right? So we can look
Yes.
at a scenario what exactly this child is student wants, and then we can see if through this program, we can work out for transfer to LLB also. We can do that.
So Hisham, we will arrange a call back to you to figure out the next plan for you. Akshita has asked a question. Currently doing BA plus MA psychology from Amity only.
Okay.
Good to see our Amity students have joined.
Yes.
You told about the GSC 3 course, 3 continent program. I'm sure she's talking about. What should I do if I'm interested in choosing this GSP for my next semester onwards?
बेटा GSP जो अभी नहीं हो पाएगा, एंट्री पे ही हो पाता है आपका, है ना? आप तो अपने बच्चे हो अक्षिता, है ना? You would know that एंट्री पे ही होता है डिसीजन. ठीक है, ये हमने लगा मतलब अगर वो आप अलग से बात कर लेना, you must be doing Shavi ma'am, okay? Speak to her. We'll see if you really want to go abroad for something. We can help you. We can see what we can do for you. But this webinar is primarily for these programs. What I'm talking, the global study program, right? And the 3C program. This you have to enroll yourself right in the first year as 3C or GSP student. Which can you type which year are you right now? You are saying you are doing an integrated. So which year or which semester are you right now, Akshita? If you can type in the chat box.
So meanwhile, Akshita, I have the first year. She is in the first year.
She's in the first year. First year she must be writing her exams. Na हाँ, तो अभी तो बेटा आप change नहीं कर पाएंगे आप. But I think as soon as things get better, we can help you with SAP. ठीक है, आपके लिए अलग से कुछ अच्छा will work out. So you connect with Shavi ma'am. We'll give you something good.
Right. One question that I've been asked is about the expenditure during study abroad program.
Expenditure, okay. Depending on, look, I don't know which student is asking this because look, there are a number of regions where you can go to. You can go to Singapore, you can go to US, you can go to UK, you can go to Australia. Singapore is the most cost effective, okay? It is about 1,25,000. It hovers around that only, okay? Because for last 1 year, we've not sent a student, but this is the cost. So it's quite cost effective. You go by today's, expensive time.
Very affordable.
Very affordable, for 5 to 6 weeks, it's a very, very good, I think, cost effective, I should say, opportunity. For US, it is 2.5 lakhs, okay, which includes your accommodation also and food also, everything for 6 weeks, which again is affordable. Why it is cost effective? Because it is our own campus. Because the moment we have to take accommodation from outside, then it becomes little steep for this child, because then we also have to pay to a third party, right? But it's our own campus, it's very affordable. 2.5 lakhs for 6 weeks in the US is again a very good opportunity. So that is the range. And since, is it from our own student, Sachinji, or is it from somebody?
It's an external student got the personal message.
Right. External student will have to, first of all, enroll at Amity, okay? It is not available exclusively for outsiders. SAP, the first program that I was talking about, it is integrated into the regular program. So if you, let's say you join a BBA or you join a fashion program, you join physics honors. So once you are an Amity student doing an Indian degree, then we will come to you with this opportunity that any semester for 6 weeks, you can go to any of our partner universities or our own campuses.
Wonderful.
Right?
So with this concluding the webinar. Thank you so much, Dr. Gunjan, for being with us. And it's been an amazing presentation, and the knowledge that you have shared, I'm sure a lot of students must have gone through it and will take the benefit of it. And this YouTube again, which will be uploaded, so will be circulated to the more than 5,000, 10,000 students out there who is into the reach of us. Further to that, having a concluding remark from your side.
Oh, from my side?
Yes.
Okay. Well, good things should never end, number one. I'm really liking this interaction, though I can't see the students, but from the questions I can see that there's a lot of engagement. Very happy. Students, stay blessed. May God bless you. And from my experience, I can say I had an FDP with Sachinji also attended 2-3 days back, where I told a group of 200 teachers, right, that exposure, global exposure is a must for every individual. I got it very late in my life. Okay, I was 26 or 27 when I got it, but I sincerely feel you will be fortunate. And I say it from my heart. Students, if you can get global exposure at this age, your life will totally change. I'm doing it for my child right now. My child is a teenager. Okay, this word is coming straight from the heart that my child is a teenager. I give him all exposure. I take him to a village where he milks cows. He's going to fields. Okay, and we also take him abroad for exposure, right? So that and it's just, sheer learning through just traveling that he's learning so much. So you all are our children, right? We are mentors to you, we are teachers to you. So it's a sincere request to take this input of global exposure very seriously, whether Amity or anywhere else, or it's just a foreign program. But if you do it during your student life, your horizon will definitely broaden, okay? And you'll have a much better life in future as compared to somebody, right? I'm not saying that you'll not do well if you study in India, but if you can afford it well, and if you can look into this as an investment, this will really change your horizon. So that's my advice to all.
That's very nice of you, Dr. Gunjan. So thank you so much, participants, for joining us today. And this video will be shared to you, to all those who have joined, and those who, if in fact could not join, this video will be shared to each one of you. Thank you, Dr. Gunjan, for being with us today.
Thank you so much, Sachin. Thank you.